Picture yourself in the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Chevrolet Colorado, the midsize pickup that makes your off-road adventures fun, safe, and comfortable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, bed liner, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.